work that. Work. We should work that out. You know we can work that. Work. No time to pass.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, itsvalval, and if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're not new, welcome back, and thank you so much for coming back. And if you are new, I think you're gonna love the content I put on this channel. Matter of fact, I feel like you already love this video and it barely started, so you should just click the like button right now, click the subscribe button right now, because this content on this channel, chef's kiss, you're gonna love it. Anyways, today I'm doing an everyday makeup look, especially for my beginners, because I'm gonna be going through everything that I'm doing and all the products that I use, and especially for dark skins, because you know I'm dark skinned. I like dark skin, let a melanin. Hey, I don't know the rest of the word. These products are very good for our complexion. They complement us very well, and they're very affordable. All the products that I use are very affordable, so I think you'll find this look very easy to accomplish, and you will also love it because it's so simple. Like, you could wear this anywhere, literally anywhere, daytime, nighttime. It's a perfect look to do anything in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you later. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna start off with our eyebrows. Excuse my non-existent eyebrows, y'all. I'm sorry. First, I'm gonna brush them up with a spoolie, and then I'm gonna take my AMOUR black brown pencil and lightly outline the bottom and then the top, and then fill it in. And as you guys know, I really like a really natural brow look. I don't like my brows to look blocky or choppy or whatever, so I prefer a pencil because it's way easier to use, and I like to use a really light hand when filling it in. And also, let me know if you guys want a skincare routine, because my skin has been looking very good lately. Like, I'm proud. Now I'm going to use my LA Girl concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa, which is my skin shade. And I like to use my skin shade when doing a more natural everyday look, because it doesn't create like harsh lines for me to have to blend out and take a lot of time to blend out. It just evenly matches my skin shade, and you probably don't see that I'm putting any concealer on because it's my perfect skin tone. But I like to do a more natural concealer when doing an everyday look. And now I'm using my spoolie again to brush all the hairs in the same direction so that it looks more natural. Okay, so starting off with my face, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Primer to prime all over my face and my neck as well, because foundation will be going on my neck. Got to make sure everything is even. And then I'm going to use my Airspun Translucent Powder to put on top of the primer, because the Hydrating Primer is a bit too oily for me, and I don't want my foundation to be oily. So I just use the primer on top of that to make the foundation last longer and to make it less oily as well. And now we're going to start our foundation. We're going to use our FENTY shade in 450. And you know I had to plug in FENTY, right? Y'all know Rihanna, my cousin, right? Anyways, I put just like 2 dots on my face because I really want light coverage. And I just blend that all over my face and my neck as well, because we don't want any cake face and we don't want 2 different skin tones going on, because that's kind of ghetto. So somebody accidentally deleted some footage of me mixing the concealers together. I don't know who. Anyways, we're mixing Dark Cocoa and Toffee together to get our perfect everyday highlight look. And I normally use Toffee if I want a more snatched look because it's really bright. But I'm going to mix them together to get my like perfect shade that I don't have to blend out too much, but it looks really natural. And I use the shade Toffee on my cheekbones just to have a more prominent cheekbone look. And now I'm waiting for the concealer to dry so that it is not transparent when I blend it out and it is more prominent. And now I'm using my Kat Von D eyeliner pencil and creating a thin eyeliner on my eyes so that when I put on my eyelashes, it is more seamless and there's no skin in between where I put the lashes and my skin. And now it's probably been like 3 minutes since I put the concealer on and let it set. Now I'm using my Real Techniques Beauty Blender to blend that out and make sure that it looks really natural, especially my cheekbones where I put that really bright toffee shade. I want to make sure that it looks really natural so that there are no harsh lines. And the Beauty Blender is perfect for doing this because it's such a soft material. It's really easy to get into where you need to get into. And I'm going to use my Airspun Translucent Powder again, and the trick to not looking like, I don't know, a ghost when you put this translucent powder on is to use the wet beauty blender that you were just using to blend out your concealer. It really helps when it's wet and you soak that into your skin. And I don't like to set my powder because it makes me look really cakey, so I just like to put that everywhere and like make sure that I blend that in and work it in so you barely see that I'm putting on translucent powder. And I'm just using my Black Radiance contour palette. I used the darkest shade and put that all over my cheekbones, not in a line but like all over my cheeks, because the toffee really made my cheekbones really prominent, so I try to do that all over the place so it doesn't look harsh. Hey, dance break. Okay, okay. And now I'm just contouring my nose with a smaller eyeshadow brush and my cheekbones and underneath my cheekbones and my forehead, even though my forehead isn't really that big. I don't know why I do this, y'all. But anyways, now we're gonna set our powder. We're going to use our Maybelline Fit Me powder in 360 Coconut and just put that all over where we put our concealer to bring color back to our skin and make it not so bright. And now I'm putting on some blush. I forgot the name of this, but I'll put it in the description box down below. And I just recently started using blush because before I used to think like I'm dark, I don't blush in real life. Why would I use makeup to make me blush, you know? But I love the look that it gives me. It looks so young and youthful. So if you're any complexion and you think you can't wear blush, like girl, you're missing out. Get into it because it looks so cute on us, period, okay? And now I'm using my BADESCU setting spray. And I know we don't stand the setting spray anymore, but I need some ideas of what other good setting sprays are out there. So put in the comments down below like what other good setting sprays are out there that you would recommend. And now I'm just going to put on my lashes. I'm also going to put that in the description box down below. And I'm using some Maybelline Great Lash Mascara just to blend my real lashes and my fake lashes. And please excuse the faces I was making while putting this on, girl. The lashes were tickling me. I don't know how to explain it. And now I'm just cleaning my lips to prepare for my lip gloss. And I'm getting a little Alicia Keys up in here, period. Okay. Okay, girl. Okay, I see you. Okay, wow. Okay, I went out. I'm dead. Okay, I'm gonna use my eyeliner pencil again that I used on my eyebrows. I'm gonna use that as my lip liner, and I use it for both. It has multiple purposes, and that's what I'm gonna use it for, period. So yeah, I just used that to line my lips, and I kind of did a little Kylie Jenner. I overlined a little bit, so ignore that. And then I'm going to use my Fenty lip gloss, my Fenty, I forgot the shade, but my Fenty Gloss Bomb, and just put that on there right on top of the lip liner and just blend that out. And that's one of my favorite lip looks. It looks so good. Now I'm going to use my highlighter. You already know my favorite highlighter palette. I'll put it in the description box. I forgot the name of it. And just put that on my cheeks. And highlighter is really optional. I use it for every look though. I love highlighter. Like, people know me because of my highlighter. So you don't have to put highlighter if you do an everyday look, but I just like to look glowy, and why not, you know? So I put that on my inner corners, my tear ducts, my nose, eyebrows, and my Cupid's bow. And I'm going to use my setting spray one more time to make sure everything is marinated in. And that is it for the look. Now you guys can just watch me stare at the wall to get some good shots for you. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And tell me what you want to see next. And I got you. Au revoir. Mwah.